then next. Keep going. それから means after that, continue the process. 最後に means finally finish everything. Use these words to explain steps clearly in order. それからすぐ入れます After this, as this through